So yeah, going over to Rival Bank.
Mike's updated
The foam.
and the snotty element.
What have you just done there?
I haven't done that.
That was just that wasn't on there just then. Anyway, let's go. We're doing all right. Look at Mr. Dexter. Look, he's doing
Yeah, the Hunt wheels.
New wheels, and the
Lighter than the other ones, but I don't know.
we'll
I
see.
don't know.
We'll go on
The other
about
ones
it.
are far better looking, I think. We'll see. And I've had a few bits and bobs here, but I think it's even now. Look, you can see the bloody sealant coming out of it there. But I'm reliably informed that it's just underneath the tape. We shall see. Fusions anyway. Try these out. The Schwalbe ones I thought were pretty good anyway.
Yeah.
We're on that.
Try
Them
them
other
out.
ones. We'll see what happens anyway. Off we go.
Do it.
Over to Goy. Over to sorry.
Over to
What's it called?
Poynton, yeah.
Who?
Poynton to Jodrell.
Jodrell, that's it, Jodrell back. And then over the backs if we can do it.
Numbers and-
Numbers and all that.
Well, see what the weather's like.
See what the weather's like. It should be nice.
It should be nice. Chill out nice.
Let's see what happens.
Becky's new helmet. His helmet.
Oh, you see me now?
His helmet.
It's the MIPS. The MIPS. That's it. The new MIPS. See how that goes on as well. I had to put something underneath it because it's very old. There's holes everywhere in it, so it's going to be a bit cold. I've told Mike now he needs to get rid of that. He's had it for a few years. How many years have you had it?
No. 5.
5 years. He needs a new helmet. He needs a new everything.
Not yet, no. No, it's off Stockport Road or whatever it is. So we'll come up to this junction again. Every time we come up this way, I'm on the bottom way coming up there with the big hill.
It's usually coming up.
And then we'll come down this way this way. Yeah.
The level crossing.
So I'm not doing too bad. So Hazel Grove, I think it is, isn't that? Hazel Grove Junction.
Hazel Grove Junction. Is it Loxley or something? Something or other. Right, Mike's gone. Right behind us before. Jesus Christ, what we do? Coasting. Mike's just polished off his
Baby potato.
baked potato, beans, cheese.
And got a HP sauce, a little bit of the old HP sauce. Very nice.
And I've got a bulgur wheat. That's the thing.
Broccoli and everything in there. The couscous.
Couscous. Bulgur wheat, isn't it? Yeah, bulgur wheat, couscous.
Yeah.
And this Bella Forte.
Yeah.
And a nice coffee. It's freezing.
Well, I'm not too bad. My hands are getting cold though now.
Frozen today.
Can't believe it's cold.
And I've left my phone at home. Don't know what I've done with that. I think I've either that or it's dropped out of my pocket.
Never Becky left his phone, never.
Unbelievable.
He must be poorly.
Yeah, I am poorly. I'm bloody sick. So we're still adopting the polarised model of training, predominantly low intensity and high intensity riding. Today is a low intensity ride, predominantly heart rate zone 2, as you can see there, as you can see with Mike. So we're just following Mike up Dumbers, which is a 10% climb. How are you doing? It's in zone 3. And these zones are quite big. The idea is you're listening to your body a bit rather than pushing too hard and making sure you're cultivating a massive base to build that high intensity, that strength. And that's the point to it. The most important training is zone 2 training. Everybody says the opposite. Rubbish. Get faster. I don't know about this mathotone thing or whatever, but ideally, if you can lactate test yourself and know what your lactate zone is, mainly lactate 1, work to that. Not all the time, because that's pretty a high zone to keep going all the time. But the long, slow rides, taking it easy, not fueling with loads of sugar, you'll be fine. You're that right, mate? Going to be descending back into, well, not back, but into Buxton in a minute, mate, aren't we? Raspberry and what? White chocolate. Let's have a look inside. Oh yeah?
Wow.
Yeah.
It's raspberry. Oh no, man. White chocolate.
Is that the white chocolate base? Yeah. I've got a solid
Oh, that's
caramel.
nice. Try that.
I'm just going to wait here a minute or two. Well, wait for Mike to catch up. He told me to go in front on Long Hill, so I went on front in Long Hill. I don't know where he is. So he'll catch up in a minute. No doubt. There he is, the man. The man with the plan. Go on then. Let's go Kelly hunting. Let's go Kelly hunting, Kelly hunting, Kelly hunting. Let's go Kelly hunting, Kelly hunting, Kelly hunting. First hunt for Kelly. Hunt for Kelly. Kelly. Good as always. I mean, what temperature have we got at the minute, mate? 5 Celsius. Yeah, 5 Celsius. 5 Celsius. Finally got back and got my phone now. So 70.09 miles, 11.7 average speed, moving time of 6 hours, total time of 8 hours. This was a long, slow ride. There's your elevation, a couple of few hills, nothing massive. I don't know why it says 0 calories. Average heart rate of 130, maximum of 146.